Echo. Hi, Greg. How you doing?
Good.
What are we about to go do?
Play hockey.
Right on. Okay, we're at Dairy Queen. Gonna get some stuff.
Hi, can I help you?
One moment, please.
I want a small brownie cookie dough blizzard. Yeah.
A small brownie cookie dough blizzard.
I hate it when they take so long.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it.
One small brownie cookie dough.
Yes, please.
405, please, Mario.
Thank you.
Here's some napkins. Thank you.
Great, thank you.
Don't want to do the upside down thing. I think it's gonna like.
I did it real quick.
There, that counts. It's good. I cannot have chocolate without water. Okay, we're home from my hockey game. We won 7-4. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Got home. I did not finish my small blizzard because I can't stand it. I'm just walking around back and forth, you know. But I gotta get my stuff out of the back car. Mom, you wanna pop the trunk? Okay. So, goalie bag. Get it out. Put that. Put that. See it. Big bag. What?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. Handle. Not a sponsored video. Big game, hard game. I could have swore. Oh, my mouth guard. Well, I'm getting my stuff unpacked. So I swore I had my mouth guard. I swore I had my mouth guard in my bag, but I didn't, and I just found it and it's in my bag. Glove. Where's that spray stuff? There it is. Take this. Sudden death. Sudden death. It's backwards in the camera. But spray that in there. Keeps it nice and fresh. There's one kid on my team. He doesn't wash his stuff ever. Spray my blocker. Spray it. Yes, I do spray it in my Fantastico helmet. Oh yeah, right in the eyes. Freezers. And then chest protector. That. That dries out. And then skates. Skate card off, take your sleeve, run it down, make sure it's all dry so it doesn't rust. I've had that a lot of times where it's happened. And the next game you play, it's just, it doesn't work. You just slip and slide all over. Can't get any grip, you lose the game, you feel crappy, and you can't really do anything anymore. But, you know, that's why you should be smart and... Right, so I'm watching the Wild Blackhawks game outside in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And I'm doing a project for history, which I'm making a locomotive. making a locomotive. So. So I got the first part of it all done up. It's just flat. It's kind of wet or whatever, sugary. We got that done, and we have another one to go. So it's gonna be good. There's like stuff coming out of the can. There's like stuff coming out of the can. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's like dried or like it's like sugar without the water. I gotcha now. It's like really sticky though. Boiled Coke challenge. Yes. Uh-oh. Boiled Coke challenge. That's what I'm gonna do. Or boiled Pepsi, whatever. I don't know. I don't think it really matters, does it? It's done. I'll show you what this is. La la la. So I got that done. I was just gonna chill here, edit yesterday's video. What did I do? Have the flash on because I feel like I'm not gonna have enough light in some places. I'm looking for something to eat. Oh, what should I have? Nothing. That's a good choice. So, yeah. I'll be on Omegle on Friday. No, maybe not Friday. Maybe Saturday or Sunday night. And the keyword is Chevy. So, in your computer, look up Chevy, whatever you want to call it. And hopefully I get to talk to you hopefully I get to talk to some of you guys. So, that's what we're doing then. I'm really bored. I might go down to the lake and do something. Okay, so I just got done with that. I am gonna log on to Omegle, and we're gonna meet some people, even though I don't have the best screen recorder because I'm just using my camera. So, I hope to get a screen recorder, and then do that. So I got some homework to do. Let's do it. Hey guys, if you did enjoy that video, please make sure to punch that like button in the face and hit that subscribe button and take like 5 seconds out of your day in doing that. Please make sure to leave a comment too and share this with your friends so I can get more famous and popular and so I can do stuff like this over and over and over. If you guys have challenges or dares, leave them down in the comment section. If that one comment gets over 20 likes, I will do the challenge or dare. But that's gonna be it for now. Please like, subscribe, comment. I already said that stuff, I think. Can't remember. It's like 1 in the morning. But, if you can see this, I think I'm looking straight at the camera right there. So yeah. And I think I have a lazy eye. So I'm gonna go to the doctor tomorrow and check that out and see if I do. Um, but yeah, that's it. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm losing my mind. I keep saying that. You know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next video. I almost forgot. The most important thing is to do shoutouts. Okay, so in the shoutout list for today, we have Nick Lundgren and Tara. Leah, Lee, Lee G H. She's like one of my best friends. So, and so is Nick. I've known him for about 2 years, and we're good. We're good buddies. So, if you want to get a shout out, please make sure to check out my Instagram and Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat. I'll add you back, and then hashtag or snap me something like hashtag your name, whatever your name is. So hashtag your name, whatever your name is. And then I'll shout you out. So I think that's gonna be it for tonight.